What's up? I'm John Knoernschild, the Garden Samurai, certified life coach, encouraging you to overcome the weeds of life, plant a beautiful garden in your heart, soul, and your mind. So I have a little life tip for you today. I'm over here looking at my beautiful Japanese maple, and it's fall here in Oregon City, Oregon, and it's turning colors. And so good coaches ask good questions, and those questions are, to help you think about answers for your life, bringing wisdom from the Garden of Life. So, what colors in your life do you need to change? Because this is fall, and the colors here are starting to change. And how are you preparing for winter? Please subscribe, like, and share. Comment with any questions. And a thought is maybe you can plant a new colorful plant in your garden that cheers you up, or plant a new colorful thought in your heart and your soul and your mind. Plant something colorful. Make a change. And just some thoughts, and may God bless you, and may your colors change to be bright and beautiful.